Guys, it's coming to 6 p.m. We got done with lunch, rested a bit under the tree. I didn't take that clip for you guys because we're resting, but we are now heading to the garden. Like we said, like I told you in the morning, it's harvest season, so we're now going to harvest some maize. So the maize is for breakfast tomorrow, but because it's for breakfast tomorrow, we make sure we prepare it this evening. So we are going to harvest maize, come back, boil it. I'll show you guys that process and we'll be done with the day. Okay, let me even take away my hand. Is it?
So this is the maize, but some are get dry, so we want escort for tomorrow. So I'm going to shake which is not yet dry, so we can cook it tomorrow. But I'm going to put it on fire today to see the all night.
Okay, it's going to boil throughout the night.
All night I put on fire.
Is this ready?
It's ready. You touch and see what thing you can see.
Yeah, soft. This looks young.
Yes, the young one you leave.
Okay.
This is young.
Okay, guys, our harvest is ready. Let's take it home and prepare it. I wonder if you guys prefer maize or corn. Okay, let me just use the word maize because we are not really Americans. I wonder if you prefer it roasted or boiled. I think I prefer boiled one compared to the roasted one. Okay. But you can let me know in the comment section what you prefer. If you prefer roasted maize or boiled maize, or if is there any other way of preparing it that we don't know, you can let us know in the comments. Hi guys, good morning, welcome back to another video. Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Nabz Arah. I do travel content and this is
Arena TL.
Today we are the villagers in Pakwach. I hope by now you've watched more of my Pakwach videos. If you've not, I'll link them at the end of the video and I'll put them in a specific playlist. We are going to have breakfast. In the previous video we harvested this maize. That's why I'm bringing you along this morning to show you what it turned out like. This maize has amazed me. See what I did there? The words are rhyming. It is so pretty. It looks like the corn that I see in the movies. I don't know how they mixed it to be like this, like pata orange, pata The one I'm used to, I think the one I'm used to is just this color alone. This one has the orangish bits and it's boiled. You're welcome for breakfast, guys.
Atari mugulu. Tumala.
As lunch is served, we have some boiled plantain also. It was boiled with a matoke.